today's video, as you probably already guessed, is going to be a bedroom makeover. Hello, I've got my paint. I'm using the colour Wild Primrose. I've used this before and I really love the colour. So yes, I'm quite excited about getting this wall covered. It's going to take a long time to do this. And then we'll kind of just do other little things to make this room a lot nicer. So let's get rocking and rolling. The edges of the wall and near the fittings, I used a smaller brush for more precision. Now to build my bed. It's only a small bed, but I'm only small too. It was really easy to assemble this bed. I just had to attach a few screws with an Allen key. It was a little bit tricky to do alone though, and only because it was a bit of a balancing act at certain times, as you can see. Yeah, probably a job for two people. I got this little clothes rail. I just feel like it will encourage me to maybe not buy too many clothes and just keep it all neat and nice looking. I added these little string stars. I like how they look. I also got some little grey wicker baskets to use as storage too, and I really like the heart-shaped details. On the top shelf I like to put books so I can easily grab one and read my books in bed. Next up I wanted to add some fairy lights. To attach the lights to the wall I used command strips. There's a bit of a knack to them, but if you can actually figure it out, they're great and they don't leave any marks on the wall if you use them properly. This is quite random, but I really love my rose dress that I'm wearing. I got it on my birthday and I just think it's really nice. These lights were really easy to put up, it didn't take me long at all, and I've put them near my computer because they're actually USB lights. Next up I decided I wanted a nicer curtain rail. The old one, as you can see, is just bulky and not very nice to look at. Curtains are actually pretty heavy. I didn't really realise this before. I definitely don't recommend doing this alone. If I was more sensible, I would have waited for another person to help me. If I was a health and safety inspector, I'd be really angry at me right now. Sorry if that is anyone that's watching. The curtain rail that I've put up has really nice glass ball details, and I just think it looks so nice. I love it. Next up I wanted to change the door handle. I really didn't like the old one, so I changed it up for a nice ceramic doorknob with flower detailing. Yeah, I just think it's really nice, and every time I open my door I think, wow, that's a pretty good door handle. Now I'd just like to show you some extra things that make this room more personal to me. There's a bit of a bee theme. The colours golds, yellows, greys. On my windowsill I like to keep my typewriter and also my old little vintage camera that I got. I also have a sunflower vase. They're just plastic sunflowers, but they're kind of uplifting. I also decided to plant my own sunflowers, so I've got a little pot with some sunflower seeds in them. So now I'll just kind of zoom in on a few things that I think you might like. It feels really cozy in here and I feel relaxed and happy. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I guess that concludes my little room makeover. I hope it's given you some good ideas if you're decorating yourself and stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. Please do like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all very soon.